This.
Start at the top.
Okay. Qua.
Yeah.
Ka.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
R.
Good.
A.
Yes.
U.
Uh-huh.
U.
Well done.
Qua.
Mm-hmm.
Qua.
Mm-hmm.
Ka.
Ah, you're pointing at qua twice.
Qua.
Uh-huh.
Ka.
Good.
A.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
R.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Well done.
A.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Yes.
U.
Yes.
Qua.
Correct.
Ka.
Yes.
A.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
R.
Nice one.
A.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Good.
U.
Mm-hmm.
Qua.
Mm-hmm.
Ka.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mm-hmm.
Ya.
Mm-mm. Yeah.
Oh. A.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Mhm.
R.
Good.
Ba.
Mm-hmm.
Qua.
Mm-hmm.
Ka.
Mm-hmm.
U. Oh.
It's
A.
yeah. A for umbrella.
A for umbrella.
Mm-hmm.
U for unicorn.
Mm-hmm.
U for pool.
Is it oo for pool or is it oo like in the word pool? Remember, we can only say oo for pool if the word pool starts with the oo sound. But if we are only referring to a sound that is in a word that doesn't start with that sound, we have to say like in that word. So we are saying oo like in the word pool. We are not saying that pool starts with the oo sound. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
So let's do the one at the bottom again.
Ba.
Mm-hmm.
So do I need to say
Ba.
this one?
Yes, you need to say ooh at the end. Because it's...
Ba.
Mm-hmm.
Qua.
Mm-hmm.
Ka.
Mm-hmm.
A.
Good.
U.
Mm-hmm.
U.
Good. Give me a word where the letter U sounds like ooh. Give me a word that you can see or that you can think of where the letter U sounds like ooh. I mean, you're looking at it. The word what word is this?
Pool.
What sound does the letter U make in the word pool? Does it sound like A for umbrella? Is it pow, P-A-L? Or does it sound like U for unicorn, P-U-L? Or does it sound like ooh, P-U-L? Pool.
It's U.
Okay. So give me a word that you can see on this page where the letter U is making the oo sound.
That I can see.
On page 7. Where is a word on page 7 where the letter U sounds like oo? It's not a difficult question. Wait, we'll go to mommy now. Let's just finish this one. I need you to understand it. What sound is the letter U making in the word umbrella?
A.
What sound is the letter U making in the word unicorn?
U.
What sound is the letter U making in the word pool? P-U-L.
It's U.
Ooh, right? So which word on this page, in which word is the letter U making the oo sound? Is it in umbrella? Is it in unicorn? Is it in pool? Is it in vest? Is it in watch? Or is it in x-ray? in which word on this page does the letter U make the U sound? Point at that word where it makes the U sound. The U sound is the one we've been color coding in blue, right? So where is it? Find me a word that has the U sound on this whole page.
Can I still use this one?
Yes, you can. It's the only one you can use. It's the only one that has the U sound. What word is it?
Ooh.
What word is it? The sound is U, but what word is the sound U in? So
Pool.
Pool, right? Make the sounds in the word pool.
Pa.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Mm-hmm. And the word is?
Pool.
Okay, we have to run. Mommy's downstairs. I'm just gonna let it roll until it gets to 10 minutes because I don't want to lose the beginning of this video. So bye. Okay, so when we have class tomorrow, we'll continue from where we left off, ne?
Okay.
That is page 7.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll see you online tomorrow. Are you gonna be at Coco's house or are you gonna be at Mommy's house?
Mommy's house, and then on Friday I'm going to Coco's house.
So on Friday you get a break and then I'll see you again on Monday.
Yes.
It was so fun having you over.
Me too.
And I'm so glad you look like you're understanding most of the sounds that we've covered. It took us.
I didn't see the whole thing because I only has a bit.
You can leave the dirt and just take your burger with you. But put your papers in your, yeah, good girl. Are you taking these biscuits?
No.
You're leaving them? Okay.
I want to have more biscuits.
You got more biscuits at home?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Give me the dirt. And pick up the, I don't know what that is, the lid, the white one. And the cushion back on the couch.
This one, right? This
Okay,
one.
that one on the bed, this one on the couch.
Okay.
So now it's safe to say that now you understand all of the sounds from, you understand all of the sounds from A until U. Okay? So from tomorrow we finish the sound patterns and then we do V, W, X, Y, and Z, and then we get on to blended sounds. Please put this on the counter for me.
Can I have one more chippy?
Sure. That was quick.
Yeah.
From the time that Mommy called to say she was coming, from her being here now, that was very quick. When do I see you again? I don't mean online, I mean see you for real, for real.
Like now.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Okay.
Next week.
Next term you must come to the workshop. You must come to the workshop with everyone so that I don't have to give you a workshop by yourself, right?
Okay.
Are you leaving the exam pad?
Yes.
It's got your stuff now, so you can take it with you.
Hi, thank you.
And then, oh, I have to go put that on again. Boring.
Your next class.
My next class is at 4.